in a land far away, where the sun always shone bright, lived a noble lion named Leo, a beacon of light. He was strong, he was brave, and all looked up to him. A king among creatures, of wisdom and charm, he seemed. One day, a young cub named Lulu wandered afar, lost in the dense jungle, with no path or star. Scared and alone, she cried out for help and guidance. But the jungle was quiet, and all seemed to evade. Leo, who heard Lulu's cries, set off on a quest to find the little cub and to her lend his zest. Through the tall grass and the trees, he ventured alone, guided by the sound of her lonely, plaintive moan. He found her, afraid and cold, beneath the jungle's embrace. Her eyes filled with tears, her heartbeat in a race. Leo, with a gentle roar, knelt by her side and spoke words of comfort that would forever be his pride. "Fear not, little one," he whispered with a smile, "for in life, there are times we must face the trial. But remember, my dear, when we're lost, we're not alone. For within us, we have a courage of our own." He taught her to look for signs, to trust her inner light, to stand tall, be brave, and never lose her fight. Lulu, with newfound courage, followed Leo back home, to a kingdom where love and wisdom would forever roam. And so, the tale of Leo, the lion, spread far and wide. A story of courage, wisdom, and a heart that could guide. In the end, we are not defined by the trials we face, but by our courage and the lessons we teach in their trace.